This conference will now be recorded.
Hey me, hey Pooja, hey Paul,
Yeah, hi Rajiv.
hey,
Hi, Rajiv.
how you all? How's your day?
It was good.
Yeah, good.
Okay, we'll get started. What was the project name that we gave?
Sorry?
What was the project name that we gave?
Health management. One, two, three.
Okay, um, I'm just bringing that up. Yeah, so we have it. Right now, I think we briefly touched upon what are these things, right? What we'll do is we'll build the roadmap. Okay, so if you have to build a health management systems at a high level, just like registration, login, what are the other things you need? That is basically I'm asking for epics. What do you think other things are required? What are the other things that are required?
For the roadmap.
Yeah, forget about this lines part. Just think, okay, now I have to build a health management system. Okay, I need registration. I need login. What else? And is this health management system does the patients have you know mm, does the patients have credentials to log into this, or is it only for hospital to manage the patient details? Or are we allowing the customers also to log in to see their previous prescriptions and other things?
Yeah, it should be the patients also, right? To log in.
Patients also. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Sure. Fine. What else? What else?
What about their insurance? If
Yes. Insurance details. Patient history. What else can you think of?
like the primary person in the family, or do you also add on their secondary
Okay.
and
Emerg-
kids?
Emergency contact details.
Yeah.
I thought that will go under registration. Anyway, let's keep it. What else?
Rajiv, I just joined in just now. Can you just tell me the question, what you are asking all about?
Yeah. So if we want to build a health management system, app or desktop application, whatever, what are the various things that are required at a high level? Like, for example, okay, a user has to register, a user has to log in first. Like that, what are the other things that's there? A few things I got is insurance details, patient history, emergency contact details. What else?
Hmm. Current situation, like current status.
Uh, what do you mean by that?
Like, I mean, if patient, I mean, is it a in clinic situation kind of thing? Or
Yeah,
okay, okay,
this can
I
be. uh, Also, you can add one more thing: online bookings.
Yeah, online
oh,
appointments.
Uh, okay, what else?
any medicine, or it comes in a history, right? Yeah, or
Mm,
like current medicine or stuff like that.
mm. Or we can give also this purchase medicine or order medicine. What else?
Do we need to add the primary physician's details?
Mm, that would be asked during registration. Can be given during registration
Hmm.
itself. Right?
Okay.
What else?
Lab results, any results, test result, lab results.
Reports. Have we already? Reports comes under patient history, right? We can have separate
So I
story
just
there instead.
I just have one
Ah,
question.
yeah.
So we have to, whenever we have some clients or anything, this epics we have to, every time we have to do that. Means we have to think
Uh,
and we have to create this.
yes, you may have to. Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So Rajiv, what about we if we don't have a knowledge about the app, like what client is asking for? Like it's totally
Uh,
What
unknown for.
yeah. So in that case, you need to do some research and get the basic domain knowledge, and then start off with it. That's how it is.
okay, means this is
Or
one kind of business as a hospital. So if any other business is there or any other that, so we need to have a knowledge for that. So that
yeah,
then only we can create this all stuff.
yes, yes. Basic knowledge is
Okay.
needed. Otherwise, you may have to get that high level understanding, not in depth, though, of course, high level understanding, and get started with it. Right? Otherwise, if you don't zero knowledge is no, it's not acceptable. At least you should know how things work, and then you know start adding things, and slowly you'll gain the in-depth knowledge about
So in interview also these things might they ask us.
it. Meaning.
Means if we are attending any interview, then is this things is the interviewer can ask us that, like,
No, this thing
for
meaning, this thing
example,
meaning.
these things means what to create, how to create this
They
epic,
might give a scenario. They might
which
give a
should be
scenario.
there. Yeah,
Y-
yeah, I
Yeah,
mean that only.
yeah. They might give a scenario and tell you to break
Okay.
cases. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Got you.
Sure. Oh, what else? Fine. Let's keep these epics for now. Okay. Let's keep these things in mind, and let's move ahead and try to elaborate this. Okay. So what we'll do is we will elaborate few of these, and then a couple can be taken as assignments and done. Okay. So let's try to elaborate the registration.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. What I'll do is I'll just minimize this, and this I'll open in a new window. Okay. Now, okay. Registration. Now, remember when we are discussing about the theory, I told there is no specific format for epic writing, right? So we'll put it like this: when a new user comes to the health management site of the hospital, then the user just try to correct me or add more things. Okay, then the user should be able to register with details like name, name, gender, email, phone number, uh, age, uh, maybe health history briefly.
Date of birth.
Uh, yeah, age or date of birth. I think I'll change this to date of birth. Yeah, what else?
Address.
Mm, address, uh, address, emergency contact details. Wait, what else?
Do
What
they
else
need
can you think?
password? Password for to entering, like to do registration? No
Uh,
password. No, no, no.
yeah. Setting of password, you mean, right?
Password. Yeah.
Set
The policy ID, the insurance
insurance
policy
details.
ID. Yeah.
Insurance details. What else?
Uh, and here mostly they require the SSN number.
Uh-huh. Okay, fine. What else? Fine. Let's keep this in mind. This should be enough. Yeah. Okay. So when a new user comes, when a new user comes to the health management site of the hospital, then the user should be able to register by providing details, right? Okay. Fine. So I'll just save this. So at a high level, the registration epic is done. Next is login. Okay. Now login comes into picture when, by the way, you, users are able to access the board, right? And you see the
Yeah,
changes that I have done, right?
yeah, I saw one,
Okay.
two changes.
Okay. Fine.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So login. Now the login piece of it. Uh, so login, the user has to have a username and password created first of all, right? So username, or okay, the patients should be able to log in to the health management portal by by, by entering a valid username and password. Right? Then user should be able to reset username and password any point User should be able to reset username and password at any point uh, using the phone number. Or what else?
By using phone number or email address.
Yeah, can be email address also. Yes, email address. What else can you think of? Appropriate error messages has to be shown when has to be shown when when invalid details are entered. Right? Upon successful login, user should be taken to the home page of the health health management site.
In this, we can even write that if a user has forgot their password, then how they can reset that.
I've written user should be able to reset username and password
Yeah,
at
yeah,
any point.
okay, okay. Yeah, sure. Thanks.
How about the password contained? Like what password should be contained of?
That
Oh,
comes in registration.
password strength you are saying, right?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
that comes under registration. That would be more of a story.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, fine. What else? I think yeah. For hello, these details should be enough.
Yeah, this is good. Yeah.
Yeah. So I've saved it. I'll go to roadmap. Now, uh, do you want me to do one more, or you want to
You can show on
try?
this, which is a common one.
Sorry, sir, come again.
You can just explain more detail on registration and login instead of going all the other details.
No, but the registration login we have to in detail meaning we have to further write stories. That is the next
Right,
step.
right, right. That's what I'm
We'll do that.
saying.
Yeah, we'll do
Okay.
that. So, but do you want to take this and write the details description as an assignment? Not now.
Okay,
Can you?
okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Just like how you did for registration and login.
Correct, correct.
Okay.
So, insurance details. Who can pick this up?
I will
Do
do
we need
that.
to do today or tomorrow like that?
If you can, by tomorrow class, if you can do it, we can review
Because
it
I'm not going to attend tomorrow and Monday, so that's why.
tomorrow. Okay. Understood. Fine. You can do it. You can do it, and you'll have to have time to do it.
No, I won't have time to do it.
Okay. That's fine then. That's fine. That's okay. Maybe who is available, you can give a try. Then we'll do it. Okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. Ami, shall I send this to you?
Sure, yeah. Please.
Okay. And patient history Pearl, I'll send to you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And
You are emailing,
Pooja,
right?
sorry.
We should get this in email, right?
You should get an email. Yeah. Pooja, I'll just assign this to you. Emergency contact details. If you get a
Okay.
chance, do it. Otherwise, that's okay. Huh? Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Once you're back, you can do it. So, okay. Me, but I'll assign this to Amy. Assign this to Pearl. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll try to break down these into stories. Okay, we'll try to break down these into stories. Let's start with registration. How to break down this
So
into
this we
stories?
have created is it says like what was it? Epics, right?
Epics, yes.
Okay.
These are all epics that we have created until this
Yeah,
moment.
okay.
Okay.
Now we are going to do stories. Okay.
Yes, we'll do stories. Okay. Take registration itself. Let's take registration to start. And uh, you see this plus mark here? You see
Mm-hmm.
this
Yeah.
plus mark? Yeah. Just click on that to create stories. Okay. Just click here, create stories. And here, if you see anything else, just click on this drop down, select story. See? Now it's turned to green color.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay. The registration. What are the various things? Create username as one story. Create password is another story. And then maybe validate email address, one story. Validate phone number, might be another story. Enter details. I'll put it as additional details, inside will elaborate what are the additional details like age, gender, and all those things. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else you see? Anything else you can think of?
Registration.
Anything else you can think of?
Do that consider in registration? Like, sometimes they ask for that robotic sign. I mean, we have to verify who we
Okay,
are
okay,
and stuff.
okay. Are you a robot? Yeah,
Yeah,
confirm that you're not a
kind of.
robot. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
kind of.
yes. That can be asked during your login and every time also. Okay, no, fine. We'll put that. Okay.
More security features kind of thing.
Uh, what shall we write it as? Uh, security, human validation, human validation.
I think that will come in login, isn't it?
It comes in login, but that's what I was thinking. Will it come during registration also?
I don't. I. I. I think it's more in login section.
Log in only.
Uh,
Each time when you
login.
log in only, you will be
Yeah.
asked, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
fine then, fine.
We'll keep that
We'll
for
skip.
login. But, yeah.
Yeah, what else?
This conference will now be recorded.
I'm trying to do in my laptop.
Okay, what else?
During registration, do we need the date of birth?
Sorry, second. During registration, date of birth. Yeah,
Yeah.
I've given this enter additional details. Right? Under
Okay.
additional details, you can put all those things.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, fine. What else?
That looks good so far.
Yeah, can't
Or
think of
maybe
anything else. Is there
insurance.
anything else?
Usually they ask insurance during registration,
Um,
insurance or
Insurance
ID
details we
cards or
have as an other epic, right?
yes, insurance details. We have another epic, but
Yeah.
under additional details, we'll just mention because
Oh,
insurance details anyway in detail we'll be having a separate epic. Okay, fine. What else? What else can you think of?
nothing else, Rajiv. Is there anything
yeah.
else?
I don't
Uh,
think of anything.
no, I think this should be good. This should be good. Okay, fine. Okay then. So we'll Mm, yeah, okay. This is about breaking the registration epic to stories. Now let's try to break the login epic to stories. Okay. Okay. Now uh, validate username and password. Right?
Yeah.
And then reset password. Right?
Yeah.
And then uh, what else? For login, I think you'll have a less. You'll have reset password, and I can put it as two-factor authentication, where you might get an OTP to your mobile or your email address that you need to
Yeah.
enter.
Yeah.
Authentication. Think of.
Are we adding that human validation thing here, or it comes in the first one?
Oh no, here itself, right here.
Oh,
Human
Sorry.
validation. It's anything else. What else? What else
I
you
don't
can
think
think
of
of?
anything.
Sorry?
Login, what else? I don't think of anything.
Ah, okay.
Login could be. Do like usually they show the requirement for password. Should we do a story for that?
Meaning password strength you are saying, right?
Yes, yes.
Mm, okay. If that's it, and that we have to put in registration. That
No, password strength should be in
no, while we are
this.
creating a password, you
Mhm.
have a create password here. While creating a password, you should show it
Okay.
should have at least one uppercase, one lowercase, one special
Right, right,
character.
right.
Yeah. What else?
So we create the password in registration
Mm.
and then login. What is the meaning by validate username and password? So what is
Meaning you have created the username and password here, right?
hmm,
Are you entering the right username and password while logging in? That validation has to be done, right?
okay.
If you are entering a wrong username and password, then appropriate error message has to be shown.
Right,
Correct?
right. Okay.
Yeah, that is validation. What else can you think of? Okay, fine. We'll keep this and move ahead. Okay. Now, no. Okay. So we have done user stories for. By the way, this is just the headings. That's all. But inside, what has to be done is the main thing.
Mhm.
Okay. So that we'll in detail do that definitely. So this is at a high level. So similarly, maybe for your epics, you can try to break it down. Is it fine?
Okay.
For your epics, try to break it down. You want me to break down for one more epic?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, okay, fine. So which shall we take? We will take since yeah, Puja will not be there, right? So let's take Puja's epic, which was that. Puja. Yeah, this one, right? Hey, this is for this is I mean, Puja. Okay, emergency contact details, right? So so emergency the primary phone number, right? secondary phone number. Uh,
Relationship.
Relationship with the contact, definitely, and email address also, right?
Yeah.
Email address of primary contact, email address of secondary contact. What else?
Physician name, number.
Physician name, number. Yeah. Okay.
Will that come under emergency contact or?
Uh, Actually, in emergency contact also, we need to have the. Otherwise, it will always be there in the history, right?
Yeah,
This
patient
physician is.
history, right? Yeah.
Yeah. History. In history, it would be there. Yeah. Okay. What else you can think of? Okay. That's it.
Yeah, that's it for emergency
Yeah.
contact. I
Yeah.
don't think we need more details for that.
Right. Yeah. So we have now split three of the epics into stories. Now we'll detail out the stories maybe in the next class. But
Mhm.
now when you go to the backlog and see, see here, all the stories have come here, whatever is created. It's building your backlog,
Mhm.
right? So this is your product backlog. Makes sense? Makes sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
That is your product backlog. What is this? This indicates that this story belongs to registration epic. This indicates this story belongs to login epic and things. That's how it is shown. Okay,
Okay.
fine. Now, now
So
here,
I was just
uh,
asking one thing. So after
mhm,
that, once the backlog is created, we need to work on each backlog, right?
after the overall product backlog is created,
Oh,
we need to decide the sprint backlog.
okay,
We need to decide the sprint backlog and then start working on it. Like
okay,
assume, just for example, I'll tell you, assume you decide that all the details are there in create username and this is the first thing you need to prioritize and do it. You just
okay,
have to drag and drop this to sprint.
okay.
Now this
So the
is there
things
in the
which are
sprint.
important like that, we'll just do first.
Yes, correct,
Okay,
correct.
got you.
Right? Okay. So that's how it is. So this is your product backlog. It will be there and your sprint backlog will also come. Okay.
Okay. So now in this, it says start sprint. So once if we start sprint, what happens then?
I will come to that one step at a
Okay,
time maybe.
okay, no
Like
problem.
don't want to jump there. Okay.
Okay, okay,
I'll show what happens when you start the sprint, when
okay,
to
no
start the
problem.
sprint and things. Okay.
Okay, okay, got you.
Fine. Fine. Okay. Fine. Any questions so far?
No question.
No questions, Rajiv.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Shall we stop here for today?
Okay.
Okay. We will stop here for today and we'll continue in the next class.
A quick question. So you send the link, and if I want
Uh-huh.
to work on it, I have to just go to email and click on the link, and we will be directly into this page, right?
Yes, yes, that's right.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
You
Sounds
will be
good.
directly. Okay.
Yep.
Fine. Fine. Okay.
Thank you
Okay
so
then.
much, Rajiv.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. We'll
Yep.
catch up.
Thank you.
And Pooja, you
Okay.
have a nice time. Happy weekend. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
See ya. Okay.
We gonna
Bye.
be here tomorrow, right? Friday?
Sorry?
Today is
We have a
Thursday, Rajiv. Tomorrow we have class, right?
We have, but Pooja will not be available, right?
Yeah, I'll be on
okay, right,
Tuesday
right,
now.
right.
I'll come on
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tuesday now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
Sure.
Okay.
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 Fine.
Yeah.
Bye,
Okay.
Yeah,
everyone.
Thank.
bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thanks.